Thought I would turn on the camera and show you guys these eyeshadows, the eyeshadow look that I'm doing in this video in the daylight. And this eyeshadow look is like so super easy to achieve. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyeshadow tutorial for you girls today. This is the eyeshadow look we are achieving today. If you guys have similar colors, you can totally achieve this look, but I am using today, it's called Jungle Green by Tarte. This is a cream eyeshadow. You can use a powder as well for this. And then I am using this, this bouncy Super Shock shadow by ColourPop. So you guys see how the two colors, they complement each other. This is a very glittery green, and this is more of a just more of a shimmer green. I'm doing green today. You can do other colors or anything that's very similar to this. So that's all you will need is these two colors in your drawer and your wrapping tape. Yeah, I was gonna say wrapping paper, but wrapping tape. And that's it. The eyeliner, I did use a eyeshadow instead. I find it's much easier and it tugs on the eye less, but you can use a liquid eyeliner. If you guys are wondering how I achieved this look, let's just get to that video. But before we get there, can you please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe? Put that tiny little bell next to the subscribe if you don't mind. And let's get to that look right now. I'm going to take this piece of tape right here. I'm just going to place it on the eye as so. So we get a nice clean edge here. I'm going to go with my cream green color. And all I'm going to do is just sweep this all over the eye with my finger, trying to get a more of a straight line there. Now, if you're having a hard time getting into that corner crease, you obviously can get a little brush. I'm going to just show you with the brush. You can get a little brush and just kind of pat it on like this. You see? And then going straight over onto that tape. I'm going to go with that second cream color. You guys can see all the micro glitters. Isn't that pretty? And I'm just going to place it right here onto the eyelid itself. Just tapping it in. Now, if you think that this is too harsh of a line, this is total preference. You can just get your brush and sweep it back and forth. This brush clean it off, didn't have much product on it. And just go back and forth just to make that nice and softer, if you prefer a softer line. Taking just a black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna run it right here. And you see how I'm hitting onto that tape? Now when I'm putting the eyeshadow on, I am pushing it into those lashes just to make sure that I don't have any gaps. And see how, like, even if you screw up with your line, it's so soft and subtle. It kind of just melts in and fades with the other eyeshadows on your eye. Now check this out when you take it off. Nice, beautiful line. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on and be right back. Okay guys, so that's what the eyeshadow look looks like after it is completed. What do you guys think? All I have on are some mascara, and that's it pretty much. What do you guys think? I thought it was really simple, really easy. I hope you guys think that this is as easy as it looks in the video, because I really think it is. Let me know down in the comment section if you think it is that easy or it's more complicated. But if you could, once again, please hit that subscribe button and that tiny little bell next to it and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.